Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create before and after slider in Wix website. So first of all, what you have to do is go over to the add button inside of the Wix editor, and now simply go over to the search bar. Then search for before and after, and you will then see before and after slider for your site. So click on open and you will then see the Wix ad market. Now you simply want to click on add to site. You will then see this pop up, and once again you will need to click on add to site. You will then see the before and after slider already. Now just scroll down over to the part of your website where you would like to be placed. If you don't have any space left, make sure to go over to add and place a strip on your website so it will create a new space. You can then resize the slider as well, and now what you want to do is to click on settings, go over to add images, and then you have the before. You want to replace the image as well. We will go over to the upload media and click on upload from computer, and I have uploaded my before and after as well. I've just taken a random before and after picture from internet, so this is the before. Add to page. Now you want to go over to the after right here and replace the image as well. This is going to be after, and right here you will have the before and after slider. So you are gonna click on save and then click on done. And now when you go over to preview, you will see we have successfully added the before and after slider to our Wix website. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.